Punta tayo sa pag-ibig. Sir Jun, bakit may pag-ibig? Kanina off the air, doon mo lang ako na-educate. Pag-ibig ba ang pangalan ng kumpanya nyo?
Ang formal name ng pag-ibig is Home Development Mutual Fund.
Home Development
so, actually, ang pag-ibig is an acronym.
Acronym?
Yung pag dyan is pagtutulungan sa kinabukasan. So,
okay.
Tumitingin sa hinaharap. No? And then yung ibig, yan ay nagre-represent dun sa kumakatawan, dun sa apat na haligi. Yung I dyan ay ikaw, yung miyembro,
Right.
Whether sa pribado, sa gobyerno, o pati overseas, covered na natin. Ano? Yung B dyan, yung bangko, kung saan dumadaan yung pera, kung saan ini-invest yung pera na nalilikom. Ikaw, bangko, industriya, yung isang I. So, ito yung, hindi lang yung housing industry, kundi yung mga employers, both government, private, na nagko-contribute. At yung G dyan, gobyerno, yung nangangasiwa or administrator. Dahil ito naman ay pera ng tao, hindi naman pera ng gobyerno to. We don't go through the budget process. May sariling budget ang pag-ibig.
Ang pag-ibig. For both, why am I contributing? Doon muna tayo sa mga employed or self-employed who chose to... Meron din kayong mga self-employed members.
Covered din.
Covered din sila.
Halos pareho ng merkado ng PhilHealth. Except for the indigents.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman, pwede ba yung sponsored?
Yes.
I think ganun yata yung nangyari ko sa mother ko na ngayon dahil retired na siya. Sponsored siya? Pwede ba yun?
Actually, other than the one I mentioned, meron tayong, of course, I mentioned about the OFW membership. Tapos meron tayo yung mga retired o kaya yung lifetime member program.
Okay.
Baka yung mother mo doon,
82 years old.
na-employed siya noon.
Right.
At after accumulating and contributing for 10 years o kaya equivalent to 120 contributions, ay qualified na
for a lifetime member.
Meaning, they can avail of the benefit of PhilHealth without paying the premium anymore.
Okay.
So, yun ang parang retirement benefit nila.
Provided by the government
Provided,
to the members of PhilHealth.
Provided by PhilHealth or kung, yes, of course, that was grown out of the contribution made during the employment of your mother.
Where is the money coming from? From the contributions. Is that the reason why a member of Pag-ibig kasi ngayon hindi na or lang, di ba? I'm a member of Pag-ibig and PhilHealth. I'm employed. You get to have the financial resources from the contribution of your members, except the indigent, of course, sa PhilHealth's case.
No, in the case of the sponsored, we don't want to call them indigents, ano? Mga sponsored members natin, they get their premium payment from our government's contribution. Kung 100% yun, 50% of the premium comes from the national government funds. Okay. And the other 50% comes from the local government funds. Okay. So, pinagsama yon 100%. So, yun ang nagsasubsidize sa premium payments nito.
So, and the contributions of those regularly employed who contribute, am I correct? Kasama yan sa source of funds ng PhilHealth?
Yes, source of funds din yun. Pero in the case of the employed, 50-50 din yan. Baka hindi alam ng mga empleyado natin. 50% of their premium contributions comes from their employer.
Okay.
And 50% comes from them.
Yung binabawas sa kanila.
Yung binabawas sa kanila.
Right.
So, yun po para maliwanag. Kaya kapag yung mga empleyado, tanungin nyo ang mga employer ninyo. Baka naman yung kinukuha lang yung sa inyo at yung kanila hindi binibigay. Or worse, baka yung kinukuha nila sa inyo, hindi nila nire-remit
nangyayari yan,
mga ahensya. Nangyayari po yan. Kaya you better check it.
Employers.
You better check it.
Bago tayo mag-break, accommodate natin yung isang question kagad coming from Vanji Kismorio. Nakalagay kay Vanji because I think it's a papuri para sa PhilHealth. Malaking tulong ang PhilHealth na hospital kapatid ko and halos kalahati ang nabalik ng PhilHealth. So binabalik ba, Doc Aquino?
Kasi hindi naman yung balik. That's part of yung kanilang benefit. So meaning...
Bago sila lumabas, nung experience ko, bago lumabas sa hospital, binabawas na yung PhilHealth.
Yes, that is supposed to be yun ang pinakamagandang arrangement,
Arrangement,
para hindi na kayo maglalabas ng pera.
Right.
Actually, that's the idea of PhilHealth and health insurance. Huwag na kayong maglalabas ng pera. At kung minsan sinasabi ng mga ibang mga members, mas maganda maglabas muna ng pera para ma-maximize yung benepisyo. Hindi po, pare-parehas lang po yan. No?
Okay.
Whether it is kaya nga mas magandang arrangement, wag na kayong maglabas ng pera.
Right.
Paawas niyo na kagad.
Okay.
Questionin niyo na lang dun sa ospital kung may question kayo. Kasi po, yon mga nagtatrabaho ng mga hospital, hindi po mga nagtatrabaho ng
Hindi
PhilHealth.
empleyado ng PhilHealth.
Opo, hindi empleyado ng PhilHealth. Kaya kung may question po kayo, at saka yung benefits ninyo, bibigyan kayo ng benefit notification, payment notification, BPN, ng PhilHealth, pagkalabas ninyo, para mas scrutinize nyo rin kung tama yung inawa sa inyo.
Okay. Pagbalik natin, we'll talk about specific benefit. I'm an individual. Empleyado ako ngayon. Tumatakas ako sa employer ko. Nanonood ako ng Peaceability sa GNN. PhilHealth at pag-ibig yung topic. What are the direct benefits for the individuals? So keep sending your text messages to share an opinion or ask a question to 0917-853-7333. Please indicate your name and location. We will just pause for a short break.